morning, everyone. This is Professor Benjamin, and so this video is to revise the video that I made yesterday. So today is May 1st, and this morning I woke up to an email that final grades are due a week sooner than what originally sort of was told to us. So Professor Brian and I made the course an extra week when in reality technically my grades are due by May 8th, so that is next week. So I wanted to just give you an update and a revision to how this is going to play out. So what I did was I removed the waste section. So you'll see down here I removed waste. And then what I did was I made the final exam between May 2nd and May 7th. So you'll have between May 2nd at 11:59 p.m. through May 7th at 11:59 p.m. And I made your news articles due by May 6th. So that'll be the last day I'll accept news articles from you. The final exam, again, is just going to be multiple choice and true and false questions from quizzes that you have taken in the past. So it'll be from climate change and air, water, agriculture, non-renewable, and renewable energy. So I'm going to take a culmination of those quiz questions and put them on to the final exam. I'll pick and choose which ones I like. I may revise the language just a little bit, but probably not. So how does the final exam play out? You get one chance between those dates to take the final exam, meaning you get one chance. You cannot, once you log in, you cannot log out and then restart the exam again. So you get 60 minutes, one chance to take the final exam between May 2nd at 11:59 and through May 7th at 11:59 because my grades are due by May 8th. So that only gives me May 8th to put together your grades and then submit them into the faculty portal. Okay, so again, the point of this video is to tell you that we have revised the end of this course because I just received a message from the college that technically the class ends next week, so we really didn't get 2 extra weeks. We only got about an extra week onto the end of the semester. So please take that into account. I will send a message out to you. This will be in the announcement section, but I will also send an email and maybe starfish you guys to make sure that you watch this video and understand what's going on. So again, the final exam is going to be due next week, not the following week that we had planned. And I've cut waste out of the picture so that we can make up the time accordingly. You will have one chance, 1 hour, and the final exam will be a culmination of the quizzes that you have taken throughout this second part of the semester. And again, the way your final exam, the final grade will be calculated, I will take your midterm grade. I will then average in your grade that you have for the second part of this course, and voila, I will get your final grade for the semester. So if you had a D at your midterm and you get an A now, okay, that's CB range. So I'll take a look at it and I'll decide, did you do all of your essay questions? How well did you do on your essay questions? How well did you submit your news articles as maybe extra credit or as you didn't meet your news article requirement. So I want to make sure that you look at all of that. That will all play a role in that final grade that you get for the semester. Again, if you have any questions or anything that you need from me, make sure you reach out and ask. Please reach out before the May 7th at 11:59 due date so that I can help answer your questions, okay? Again, thanks for your patience. I know this is craziness. But I really appreciate your patience and how you have kind of triumphed through this uncertain time. And so I just need you to prepare for the final exam by going back and looking at the quizzes. I know they are closed now, but you were given the answers of all the quiz questions after the quizzes. So you'll at least be familiar with the quiz questions from previous quizzes, okay? Again, if questions, please reach out before the due date.